Is it possible to enjoy bacon anymore? Yes. Embellish it and bake more than you need. And bake extra. Okay, setup, 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Sheet pan, lined with parchment. You know this little trick? If parchment doesn't want to lay flat, wrinkle it first and then spread it out. And a baking rack, not a cooling rack. There's a difference. A little bit of olive oil rubbed on both sides makes for easy cleanup later. Okay, let's lay these bad boys out. Hey, if you're new here, I'm Doug, and thanks for watching. Let's bake some peppered bacon, my new favorite way. With this, not this. So sad. Make sure to get it all over nice and even, unless of course you're embellishing some of the slices with something else. More on that later. I like 20 minutes for this thick cut bacon. So while our pepper bacon bakes off, let's talk about another embellishment option. So this is a whiskey, honey, cayenne glazed bacon. So equal parts whiskey, honey, and a dash of cayenne. Mix it together, and in the last 5 minutes or so of baking, either brush it or spoon it over each slice of bacon. It gives a delicious, hot, sweet, and slightly adult flavor to bacon. So good. So what do you think about these ideas? If you like them, give this video a thumbs up. Ugh. I smell bacon. Mmm. Hot, hot, hot. Look at that. Looks so good. BLT, yeah, you know me. Not too peppery, actually. It kind of mellows. Bake some bacon. Oh, I gotta throw that other piece on. Totally easy to clean. Oh yeah, of course. There's the old school candied bacon video I did a couple years back. You can watch that right here. Or if you just like Doug cooking, keep watching a little bit more. And thanks for tuning in. Let's bake, I think one another minute. Slightly liquor.